Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. Myles Smith, I think you recognize that name. If you follow me here on Goran Guitar, he's been here before with songs like The Solo, I believe a couple other songs, at least some songs as well. This time we have a cool song called Wait For You. Alright, so Myles Smith, Wait For You. And I get these Avicii vibes when I listen to this song here. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it has this lift in the song, so to speak. So anyway, nice song there, Wait For You. Let's take a look at this song with capo set on the 6th fret. With that, we have the absolute best scenario with the easiest chords possible. And it matches up with the sound as well, with the high notes and everything. So capo on 6, put that on, and let's do the 4 chords. Only 4 chords needed for this song. So we're gonna start with A minor. And you need to hold and play open A string, then 2nd D string, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That's A minor. Next chord is G. So that is 3rd on E string, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C next. That goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is F. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret and you cover all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd fret on the A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so there you have the chords A minor, G, C, and F. Now we need to learn the strumming pattern, and because of one spot there in the verse, it is divided into 2 different parts. So the first part, or actually I can show you one full round and then explain where the split goes. So one round goes down, 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 up, down, up. So okay, so the split goes after the first 2 downs. So part 1 is down, down, and then part 2 will be down, up, down, up. So that is one round. Down, 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 up, down, up. Now this is a very speedy strumming pattern here. You need to work your speed up here and do that gradually. Get the feeling for it first, so start slowly like. And then work your way up there while you're getting more comfortable with it. So the standard tempo, a couple of rounds with the A minor will be something like this. I like to play the first part here, or the first down on the bass, and then the rest comes in the mid, higher string area down there. So like this. All right. So I mentioned we have the verse is a reason for having the split on the strumming, and we're gonna go into that immediately right now. So the first verse is played A minor, 1 full round, which means down, 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 up, and then plus part 1, the down, down. That is the starting point for A minor. So then you shift to G and play part 1 again, the down, down. And here it goes so fast, so what you need here really is to hit the bass strings only, pretty much, when it comes to G. You don't have to care about the strings down here, because at this point, at this G in the verse, it will be just a quick jump on it, like a transition chord. So what you need here is the bass. If you get only this right, that's enough actually. So A minor, 1 full round plus part 1, G, part 1, then it continues with C, 2 full rounds, F, 2 full rounds, C, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. All that is one chord progression. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. I'm gonna take you through 1 round slowly first, and then 1 round in standard tempo. So slowly first, it goes like this. And in standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, 2 rounds of that is what I played in standard, and that's what you're gonna do as well. And yeah, if you miss a down or up here and there, doesn't hurt too much because of the action. The high action here, you play a lot, so just keep it up there, stay with it, and you will have the same rhythm going on. Then it doesn't hurt if you miss a down and up. I just want to mention that. All right, so that's the first verse. Over now to the first pre-chorus. You're gonna continue the same strumming here. You're gonna play F2, that means 2 full rounds, C, 2 full rounds, G, 2 full rounds, A minor, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. That's the first half of it. Then you continue with F2, C2, G, 2 full rounds, and 1 extra down with a pause. That pause builds up for the chorus that comes right after. All that is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play for only this 1 round. So F2, C2, G2, A minor 1, G1, then F2, C2, G2 plus 1 down. I'm gonna take it through for you. I'm gonna take down the tempo to somewhat of a mid-fast tempo there. Not that slow, but not in the standard tempo as well. So let's go. Pause. All right, that builds up for the chorus like I mentioned, and now we're gonna have A minor, F, C, and the first 2 rounds of this you're gonna play just 1 down per chord. And C you play for 2 times. Second round again, same way. We're now in the mid of this chorus. We're going to continue now with strumming to end it. So the strumming continues with A minor, 2 full rounds, F 2 full rounds, C 3 rounds, G 1 round. And then you're going to end with A minor 2 full rounds, F 2 full rounds, and C 4 full rounds. So A minor 2, F 2, C 3, and G 1. A minor 2, F2, and C4. And that is how the chorus ends. I believe I said A minor 2, F2 in the beginning there, but I actually played only 1. It is 2 rounds. So A minor 2, F2, C3, G1, and then A minor 2, F2, C4, of course. I was a little bit in a hurry there. Anyway, that is the first chorus. Now over to the second round of everything. The second verse is played the exact same way as the first one. And the same goes even with the second pre-chorus. But now the second chorus is a little bit different. Remember, we started the chorus there in the first round with just 1 down of the chords A minor, F, and then C2. Now you will play the strumming all the way through there in the second chorus. So that means you're gonna start with A minor, 2 full rounds, F 2 full rounds, C 4 full rounds. You play that part for 2 rounds in the same way as you played 2 rounds when just you played 1 down. And then you continue after this A minor, F, and C4 for 2 rounds. You continue in the same way with the rest of the chorus. After that second chorus, we have a bridge part, and we're now about 2 minutes and 14 seconds into the song. This bridge part is played with F2, C2, G3, A minor 1. You play that chord progression for 3 rounds. So F2, C2, G3, and A minor 1. And you play that for 3 rounds. And then the fourth and final round of this bridge part, you're gonna play F2, C2, and G4, like this. after that bridge part that you ended right there, you're gonna go back to play the final parts, and that will be the third chorus. And you play that third chorus in the exact same way as you played the first chorus, which means you have only one down for the first part of this chorus. The A minor 1 down, F 1 down, and C 2 downs on the C. You do that for 2 rounds, and then you continue with the strumming and do that till the very end of the third chorus. And that, my friends, covers Myles Smith, Wait For You. All right, so I really like to do this song here. It keeps me thinking of Avicii, my fellow Swedish artist who left us way too early, and it's a nice song to play, and it's fun on the guitar as well. Not too hard, only 4 chords. The challenge here will be the strumming and the speed of it, but you will get it, and then it just flows. So good luck with this one, guys. And if it was helpful, support me on Growing Guitar. It actually helps me a lot to see this channel and this family growing. So thank you, guys, and play tuned.